How to turn off the comments on your Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off the comments on your Facebook post. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to turn off the comments on your Facebook post, you can open up Facebook here. And once you open up Facebook, just come to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, you will see this type of interface where what you have to do from here is you can simply select that certain post manually that you want to allow. And now you can just tap the three dots option and you can select who can comment on your post, and then you can set this to private, only friends and established followers, or public, or profile and pages you mention. So you can select profile and pages you mention here, and then only the people you have mentioned will be able to comment, but if you don't mention anybody, they will not be able to comment. The other thing you can do is if you tap the three dots option, you can simply choose to lock your profile so that people who are not on your friends list will not be able to see your post, as a result will not be able to comment. So these were the ways on how you can solve and disable the comments on your Facebook post. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.